table dito. Dito ang labas.
Ma'am, paiwasan na lang po ibigay sa cellphone yung card para hindi ko sa mga...
Ito may CR. Washroom. Nice. May bathtub pa siya. May blower. This is the washroom. Mirror. Complete it. Mars, may bathtub. Gusto mo doon? May bathtub doon. This is the toilet.
Dito yung dalawang kwarto.
Hindi mo connect. Dito. Ay, saan ba ang sa pang-room? Hindi, ito yata Mars ko yung connecting eh. May connecting dito. Wow. Ito naman ang bathroom. The washroom. Ito yung connecting with room. An extra bed. This is our view outside. Meron dong pond. Meron diyang chair. Gusto mong standby. Ito yung connecting room. And this is the cabinet. Mayroon ditong rep, small rep. Kanan. Free coffee. And water.
Drink coffee. Drink some
And
coffee.
this is our host.
Yeah. This is Jared.
So, kanina nga nang inuwi.
Ako kumain na ano.
Ano na yun? Ay, itlog.
Itlog, oo.
Dito raw si Big Madama.
Meron pa rin pala rito. So, 2 rooms. Ay, 2 bedroom. Ay, 2 bed. 2 bed and TV. And this is the cabinet. Sliding pala to. Sliding. And then may umbrella pa siya dyan. This is the ayan. Sit mo yung pera mo. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.